Welcome. Come on in. It's Thursday and it's happy hour. Home happy hour to be exact, so grab a drink and let's get started. Hi everybody, it's Claire Paris with the Paris Group Realty, LLC in Portland, Oregon. And today we're talking about what is a down payment? How does that work? So your down payment in essence is what you're putting towards the purchase of your home that's not your loan. So if you think about it, you've got the purchase price and then you've got your loan amount, and the difference between the two is your down payment. That down payment can actually be all kinds of different numbers. A lot of times people will say, can I have it be 7%? No, you cannot have it be 7%. There are standard numbers that down payment has to be because the lender is basing your risk on how much you're putting down. And I imagine, I don't know this for sure, but I imagine they have like actuarial tables that they're looking at and they say, 3% down loan adds X amount of risk. So the loan down payment amounts that you can have are 3%, 3.5%, that's always going to be a FHA loan, 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. You of course can put way more than that down, but at 20%, especially on your principal residence, you're not going to get any more credit. So what I mean by that is at every one of those down payment amounts, your interest rate might be a little bit higher. You might have a little bit more in fees. You're definitely going to be paying what's called mortgage insurance. And we have a video about that if you want to check it out on our channel. You're going to be paying more to borrow more. So you have to decide whether that payment is comfortable enough for you, and you can move it either way. Once you get above 20%, then the lender kind of doesn't care. So they'll let you put 23.5% down because they're just basing all of your risk on 20% down. So they're not going to give you a better interest rate. They're not going to do anything. You won't have mortgage insurance with 20% down. But you know, most of the time my clients who put more than 20% down are doing it because they want their payment to be a specific amount. And typically it's because they're on a fixed income or they're planning to retire or something like that. If you're young, I wouldn't really recommend you put 20% down because it's not a great use of all of your money. I hope that answers some questions for you. And of course, it's always a pleasure having you. Cheers. We'll see you next week on our home happy hour.